Hi, I'm Dr. Anjalee Carlson. I am an internal medicine and pediatrics physician for Olathe Health, and I'm here to talk to you about masks and kids and going back to school. Pretty scary topic for most parents right now. We're definitely in a time that's concerning, and there's a lot of questions, and we don't know what the right thing to do and how to talk to our kids about this. So I have some tips and tricks for you. One thing is that a lot of us are having to make a tough decision about whether we send our kids back to school or whether we keep them at home or whether we do some sort of hybrid. No decision that you make is going to be wrong. So we all just need to support each other and help each other through this process. So we'll have lots of families returning back to school, and we'll have lots of families that are doing virtual education at home. When we talk about masks, masks are important because they help us decrease the amount of illness and decrease the possible spread of COVID and other illnesses as we go through this school season. And having our children wear masks is an important part of this. Cloth face coverings help reduce the risk of transmission of COVID and other illnesses. The American Academy of Pediatrics has helped define that 6 feet of distance is a good distance. However, in schools, sometimes 3 feet of distance with masks is about equal to that transmission risk. So when our kids are going back to school with these masks, how do we get them to wear them all day long? So some tips and tricks that can help you with it are how you talk to them about it and how you prepare them about it. Kids are all about routine, so having them sit in a routine where they are used to wearing the mask and they're comfortable wearing the mask and they see other people wearing the mask will be helpful. One tip would be to look in the mirror when you put on the mask so that they can see their own face and see that they don't look scary. Another one would be to put on the mask on their favorite stuffed animal. Another one would be to decorate their mask, get out the puff paint, get out the glitter. Well, maybe not complete glitter, but some glitter is always good. And make designs on those face masks. Also, you can show them pictures of other kiddos wearing masks. That makes it more normal to see another kiddo in a mask. Draw one on their favorite book character. Practice wearing the mask at home. All these things can be super helpful. One thing that I do with my own kids is that I can't get my 4-year-old to stop touching her mask, so I turned it into a game where I told her the mask was lava and she couldn't touch it because it was hot, and that seemed to work very well with her. So when we talk to kids about masks, it's really important to understand their age. So children under 3, it's really important to talk in simple terms, saying that sometimes we wear our masks just because people get sick, and we have to help prevent them from getting sick and help keep ourselves from getting sick. When we're talking to kiddos that are over 3, it's important to talk about germs. They love talking about germs. So say germs spread from person to person, and the masks help prevent us from spreading those bad germs. That sometimes we have good germs, but sometimes we have bad germs, and those bad germs are the reason why we wear the mask. Those are the main things that I can recommend for masks. It's always important to talk to your doctors and your pediatricians about what you can do to help reduce the risks and how we can keep our kids safe and healthy this year. Thank you.